Try to brush me off, I see. Bad man like colony from unruly. Girl, why be? Disrespect we hear chat I go be.
Yeah, I went to the grocery store and everything. Oh, mommy, I got a little pimple patch here. I went to the grocery store and everything, and I just did not feel like looking for a potato. I was ready at the register. So we having curry without potato today. We having chickpeas, but that's fine. That's fine because it's still gonna buzz. Period. So that's what's going on right now. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. There's gonna be more series like this. This is gonna be a series of cooking with C. This is episode 1. Even though I cooked with y'all before on my channel, we're gonna start fresh. Now that we in a new crib, this is episode 1. So the first thing you know, we had to make some curry chicken. Period. I didn't even start recording, y'all. I be cooking like, I cook a lot. I ain't gonna lie. I cook like every other day, and I never freaking record. But it's alright, y'all. I'm gonna get y'all right. So yeah. Now, while I put some all-purpose seasoning, if you know, you know. You already know the Chief brand. For all the Trinis, tap in. And I already put some on there, but this seasoning is so freaking good, y'all. I need to figure out how to order this because my family gave me this, but yeah, this is it right here. This is it.
Girls love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas.
Okay, if you know, you know. This is it right here.
Go missing. This job you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of admirers. They call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I'm not alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. There's no one else around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl. Say my name, you like the captain straight ahead. Baby, a lot of Saturday. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Cause those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit when I'm in the zone. This is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make a young boy take the long way home.
Okay, Olia. So here is where you're adding some curry powder. You want to make a paste. You see the paste there? Yeah. You pour some water in there because you want it to spread out on the chicken and thing. So here it is. I'm mixing it. So you want to lower the fire so it could simmer down. So as you can see, it's pretty much at that paste consistency that I want. So I just want to coat my chicken in this paste, basically, that we just made here. So yes, baby, yes. So we're going to coat this in the paste. So now we're going to cover it and put it on a high heat. So the chicken is going to basically make its own simmer. Make its own water, juices.
10 minutes later.
on the side. Yeah, I don't got no potatoes, so that's killing the vibes. Alright, y'all, so it's been about 10 minutes. About to bust it open. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna turn the heat on now. Chicken is pretty much finito. So I'm gonna just let that soak in there. But y'all see this stuff? Do y'all see that though? How it tastes of the chickpea. Chickpea is busting. Yeah, now. And now we just wait for the rice to be done. I don't know. I never really watched this while it cooked. I don't know if it's supposed to be frothing. Like, people with rice cookers, join the chat, because what? This is what usually happens. But I love this thing. I'll be making the rice so perfect. So we're just gonna wait for the rice to be done. I'm about to take a shower and I'm gonna come out and tell y'all what's going on. I got my rice boiling and I'm waiting for my curry, you know, to get like to a good stage so I can go take a shower. Like, do y'all shower before y'all cook or after? I gotta shower after. I gotta be completely clean, like not smelling like food and all that. So I'll hit y'all back when we on to the next step. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, some people use turmeric in their curry, like to get the color to be more vibrant. That's why y'all see my curry isn't that vibrant. I didn't have no turmeric. Plus, I had the cumin is technically called jeera. I don't got that either. Yeah, I'm in the country. I am in North Carolina. They don't got none of that. This is not the Caribbean food store in Brooklyn that you could just go to and get all your ingredients. No. So we got to improvise here, but it's still going to be busting. So that's all. That's it. That's all. That's all that matters. Like.
I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah, Mrs. I got things are so pretty